Thank you for your interest in the Pitt+Me Discovery Research Program. Before you enroll, we will ask for your consent. The consent process is important to help you understand everything that is involved in Pitt+Me Discovery if you choose to participate. This video will provide you with information about the study. Participation in research is always voluntary and entirely up to you. You may withdraw from the study at any time. Pitt+Me Discovery is a local research program that helps UPMC and University of Pittsburgh researchers better understand how DNA affects health. DNA contains information about your genes and is passed along from parents to children. A person's DNA can affect their health in many different ways, including the diseases they may get and how they respond to medicines and treatments. To help researchers study this, Pitt+Me Discovery serves as a local biobank research program. A biobank is a collection of biological samples and health information. Pitt+Me Discovery collects this information from UPMC patients and makes it available for researchers to study a wide range of scientific questions about how DNA affects health. This type of research may lead to new personalized and individualized ways to predict, prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases, also known as precision medicine. Anyone age 18 and up with a UPMC medical record may sign up for Pitt+Me Discovery. We aim to enroll up to 250,000 participants in the region. People who join Pitt+Me Discovery are asked to give a sample, such as blood or saliva, allows secure access to their electronic health record information, or EHR, and agree to be contacted in the future by the study team for more information and study updates. Samples collected will go through testing in a Pitt or UPMC research laboratory, and results will be combined with electronic health record information so that researchers can study how DNA affects health. Samples may undergo other types of testing in the future, including whole genome sequencing, which is mapping out a person's entire genetic code. Samples and information collected from you will be held securely at Pitt for an indefinite period. At some point in the future, and only if you choose to have information shared, some results may be returned to you and placed in your UPMC electronic health record for your healthcare provider to see. The type of information that may be returned is related to how your genes or DNA might affect your response to medication. For example, there are medications that work well for some individuals, while the same medication may cause a bad reaction in others. This is called pharmacogenomics. Having this information may help healthcare providers as they make decisions about their patients' healthcare and medications. If you choose not to receive results, you may change your mind at a later date. Risks associated with participation in Pitt+Me Discovery are minimal, but not zero. As with any blood draw, you may experience discomfort, bleeding, bruising, feeling lightheaded, and rarely, infection from the side of the blood draw or fainting. Anytime data is involved, there is always a small chance that your information may be shared with people outside of the study. Your security is important to us, so Pitt+Me Discovery has safeguards in place to minimize the chance of this happening. Only researchers who have the appropriate approvals will be able to access information collected in Pitt+Me Discovery. We assign a research study ID to the samples and data collected, so researchers will not see anything that can identify you. If you choose to participate in Pitt+Me Discovery, there may be no direct benefit to you. Instead, your participation will contribute to scientific knowledge and research about how DNA affects health. Thank you for taking the time to review this video. If you have any questions about Pitt+Me Discovery, please speak with one of our research staff members before continuing with the consent process. You can find additional information about the study in the consent form provided to you, or contact the research team at 412-648-7039 or discovery@pitt.edu.